Quick reading for December the 1st to December the 2nd, Earth signs. So parang makikita natin dito na, yes, maybe siguro in the past days, weeks, or months, medyo nanlamig sa atin si person, no? Medyo hindi tayo nabigyan ng sapat na attention, sapat na pagmamahal. Pero I feel like this time, ito yung mga araw na babawi ito. Either makakatanggap tayo ng apology, a small token, no, of appreciation. Pwede rin namang sasabihin nito ni person, Lika, lumabas tayo, no? I'm going to date you, ask you out, or kung wala pa rin naman kayong wala pa naman kayo, no, na committed relationship or wala pa kayong label, I feel like ito yung time na ibibigay na ni person yung hinihingi mong committed relationship or commitment, yung label, no? Um, Katulad ng sabi ko kanina, kung meron sa'yong nagawang pagkakamali si person, no, at least makakatanggap ka ng apology. Matagal na nahimik si person, pero ngayon siya babawi. So this is your quick reading, Earth signs for December the 1st to December the 2nd.
Predicting future isn't my purpose.